Okay, welcome back. Spinning class done. Plus another 15-20 minutes of weightlifting. I always try to add some upper body exercise after the spinning class in the gym. It's one of my biggest fears is to turn into a thick legs, thin arms kind of freak. Now, rush back home, have a quick shower, and then go back to real life, as I have an afternoon with several conf calls today. Let me do a quick detour, show you one of Bracknell's landmarks, I think, which is the ski slope, dry ski slope, synthetic obviously. We have very little snow here. There you are, two people on the slope, and this is the ice hockey stadium here on the right, home of the Bracknell Bees, which is Bracknell's ice hockey team. I don't know much about ice hockey, so actually I don't know anything about about ice hockey. But I've heard they are one of the best teams in the UK. Cold, but it turned out to be a really nice day here. After all the cold that I had to endure yesterday evening when I did my typical Wednesday night ride. Not complaining though, it's not raining. But it was a bit slippery yesterday. There were some patches of black ice on the cycle path and minor roads that I cycled on. So let me get over the A329 here again on the overpass. Don't do this at home. I take a slightly different route on my way back. More scenic one. So here we are back onto the edge of Janet's Park. I'm gonna cross through a portion of Janet's Park now. And go through a small wooden area called Tarmac Copse. I think it's called Tarmac Copse anyway. All the houses you see on the left, on this side, were finished less than 6 months ago. So this is all brand new here. These houses sell for, the small ones sell for about 200,000 pounds. And the big ones, which I think are 4 or 5 bedrooms, I don't know. They can go way up to 450,000 pounds. Almost £500,000, which is quite unbelievable. And they're middle class houses, they're nothing. They're nice, they're new. They aren't really luxury houses. Housing is ridiculously expensive here. Everywhere. London is even worse. In London you pay for a 2-bedroom house what you pay for a 4-bedroom house here. Somebody's washing, the guy's washing his car. Wearing nothing but a t-shirt. These British people are crazy. I don't know how cold it is, but it must be, I don't know, 7, 8, perhaps a little less. Let's say between 6 and 8 is my guess. Celsius, of course. And here we are, back where I started the recording. So thank you very much for coming with me on this nice day. I hope you have a good day and a great week. Take care, folks.